picture. Smile. And release them back.
Release them, right? I feel back? All right.
Bye, fish. There's a dolphin that's been hanging around here with us. There's a couple of pods here that are coming up as we're fishing. There's some on the corner there. Maybe it'll get closer. Let's see. But we are fishing for snooks, and we're keeping the rainbow, or not rainbow, but the trout, the speckled trout. As you can see, there's other boats around us, and they're catching as much as well. This is crazy. And of course, there's birds that are trying to get in there as well. All right, dolphin, there you are. Oh my gosh. All right. We got somebody here, just caught one. I mean, it's like every minute we're catching. So let's see what this one is. That island is Cayo Costa, and I see a fish coming up. There it is. Ooh. Look at Philip.
Look at that.
Magic.
If it breaks with your hand here.
This is like constant.
Crazy, right?
Yes. It's a bass. Oh, a trout, sorry. Here. That's a pretty trout. It is. Oh!
These are slippery little bass. Oh, yeah, dude. I feel its heartbeat.
Oh. Well, that's dark.